I, Rodrigo Roa Duterte, having been duly elected position of Mayor of Davao City, do solemnly swear to do well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability duties and functions of my present position and all others that I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines.
Someday when we are gone, all those who will come after us will know how Davao was made it is today.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations po.
When I am down and all my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burdened be, when I am still waiting.
Mabuhay ang siyudad ng Davao, mabuhay ang Davaoenyo, mabuhay ang Moro people, mga lumad at Kristiyanos, who all contributed to what Davao City is now.
Raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up.
Binas lang lahat. Wala akong ano napunod kahit niyan.
I think we're the first, but I'm not saying that we are the only one.
So the top dozen of all storms ever seen on this planet.
Kung ano ang nakita ninyo sa realidad, dumaan mang typhoon, may dumaan mang mga kasong korupsyon, consider me. Because ako ang last na barahan ninyo sa problema nito.
Raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong.
When I am on your shoulder, raise me up to more than I can be.
You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas.
Ayaw naman natin maghati-hati ang bayan natin. So let me kiss the flag that I love this republic.
Your shoulders, you raise me
At this
up.
moment in time in our country's history, we need somebody like Mayor Duterte to stand up for every Filipino.
Mayor, tanggapin po ninyo ang mga pagpapala ng Panginoon Diyos sa buhay ninyo. Tulad ng pinagpala niya kayo sa inyong pamumuno sa Davao, ganon din sa inyong pamumuno sa ating bansang Pilipinas.
I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. Raise me up.
Again, ako ang huling barahan ninyo sa problema ngayon. Maraming salamat po.